Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Notion site. First, begin by opening Notion and creating a new page. This page will serve as the foundation for your entire website. Next, populate it with all your desired content, utilizing Notion's versatile blocks such as text, images, and even databases. Once your content is ready, adjust the sharing settings to public access so anyone with the link can view it. Finally, copy the public link to share your new, simple Notion site. To elevate your Notion site, consider adding a custom domain. Services like Super, So, or Popsy specialize in transforming Notion pages into professional websites. They act as an intermediary, allowing you to use your own domain name instead of the standard Notion URL. You'll need to configure your domain's DNS settings to point to their servers, a process typically involving a few simple steps outlined by your chosen provider. This gives your site a much more polished and branded appearance. While Notion offers basic styling, third-party platforms unlock extensive design possibilities. You can customize fonts, adjust color schemes, and even inject custom CSS or JavaScript for truly unique aesthetics. These tools provide a dedicated interface to manage your site's appearance, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your brand. Remember to always check how your design looks on different devices, from large desktop monitors to small mobile phones, for an optimal user experience. Publishing your Notion site is straightforward. Simply ensure your page is publicly accessible. For better visibility, focus on basic search engine optimization, or SEO. Craft a compelling page title and description that accurately reflect your content and include relevant keywords. Within your site, use clear headings and naturally integrate keywords to help search engines understand your topic. Finally, share your site's link widely across social media and other relevant platforms to attract visitors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.